Hi everyone, hi mom, it's Liz here at the Paper Project, and I wanted to do a quick tutorial, or I guess a share on how I like to use my canceled stamps. And I like to kind of add them to little tags, and that is because sometimes if I put them in a journal, I may want to move them somewhere else, and so I thought this was probably the best way for me to be able to move them around if I wanted to, or I could totally take it off the garment pin and use it somewhere else. So that's kind of where the idea of that came from. I'm sure there's some out there that do something similar, but this is just how I wanted to share this with you guys. So for this particular one, it's a cancel stamp of, I guess, berries of some sort, and so I thought that the green lace with the white and the button kind of went together very nicely. And I've done a couple of different ones, and what I use primarily to make this is garment pins, and these ones I get from J9 Scraps on Etsy, and she's a Canadian Etsy seller. And for my Canadian subscribers, I'm going to mention this to you because, as you guys know, for us to pay things to ship internationally is quite expensive, and so she's in Canada, so it makes it super easy peasy to get things from her. And as you also know, I'm on her design team, so of course I love using her stuff. So for this one in particular, this is the Queen, and I thought I added a little bit of a different lace to that, a little bit of fabric that I thought went with the color of the canceled stamp, and again some lace, and I've just used a little bit of bling. I have some of this that I include in my kits as well. And I've been working on some embellishment kits, you guys. I'm so excited because it's just so fun to put them together, but also, to be able to have things to use. And so this is kind of one of them as well. This is the peach, of course, and I just kind of included colors that I thought went with it. And this would be nice for a garden theme as well. So as you can see, I've done a variety of them. I love this bird. I'll probably be using that in my next, nature themed or botanical kit, because I just think it's so cool. And there's a duck here as well. So let me show you guys what I used to put these together. So a while back, I purchased a bunch of cancel stamps for like nothing. I think the person just wanted to get rid of them, and I was so happy that I was able to get them. One of the items came in this box, and there's a bunch of postcards that have had the actual stamps taken out, and so I think a lot of them came from that. There's a lot of vintage papers in this one as well. And then the person that was collecting these, I thought was so amazing. They started labeling in these makeshift envelopes: Spain, Great Britain, Netherlands, Japan, odds and ends. And so, oh my gosh, guys, it's like little treasures of stamps that I have. Canceled stamps, I should say. Look at Bunny. I'm so happy that I'll be able to use it, in one of these embellishments, but also if I wanted to use it somewhere else, I could move it. So, of course, I'm using the cancel stamps. I've got some of these small tags, but you can use any tags or make them yourself if you want to, but I just happen to have these small tags. I have a jar of my neutral buttons, and I wanted to use neutral buttons for this because I thought it would go with anything. And then I also have one of my bags of different trims and fabrics. I don't know if I'm like you guys, but I kind of like to keep all my little scraps of stuff to use, at some later time. So that's really my main items that I'm using. And so let me show you guys how I put that together. I really do enjoy you guys taking, 15 minutes to craft from here, from time to time. It doesn't take that long, and it's such a, oh my gosh, it's just such a good time to, just sort of relax, enjoy the process. I'm not a person that watches TV or anything while I craft. I like listening to music, so for me it's a very relaxing time, and I hope you guys take that time to do something as well. So as you saw, I just used my distress ink to just give it a little bit more of a vintage look, and then it's really easy peasy. I am just going to add glue. And again, I'm not even sure because I'm not like a stamp collector as in I collect them because of what they're worth. I collect them because I love them. And so I don't know you know, what they would be worth. I just sort of use them in my crafts. And so, of course, you know, if it's something that is precious to you, this would be a good way to also keep it, but be able to move it around, right? Okay, so it's my garment pin. And the way I like to start is, okay, this piece of lace is a little bit too long for my liking. So I'm just going to give it a little trim there. So just a little piece of this lace, I'm just going to do that there. And then I'm trying to see how, if the garment pin, depending on which way I'm going to be putting the pin up. So I think I'll go this way. If not, I can always switch things around. And then of course I take my little stamp there, and then my little button. And then maybe for this one, if I have space, this little, you know, kind of bling thing, I think I'll add it to the bottom. I think that goes really well. So you guys, that is it. That was my quick share. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will be probably making a lot more different embellishments in the next few weeks. If you guys wanted me to share that with you guys, I would love to. I have recently found the love of my sewing machine again, and so I'm doing a little bit more crafting with that. There you go, see? So that was it. I hope you guys like the share. I've got a couple of embellishments that I'm kind of finishing here. I also have actually a question for you guys. I've got a few journals that are basically blank right now, and I'm about to embellish them, and so I'm wondering if you guys want to see that process. I have different styles of them as well, not necessarily just you know, like a vintage style. I'm also working on a couple of design team projects, so I don't know if you guys want to see that process of how I put that together. Let me know. But I hope you enjoyed this. Take some time to just relax, have fun, and do some crafting. See you guys soon.